the jammer whistle. Looks like we have 2-2 Torture versus Helena Skirt. And 2-2 Torture is through. She is all heart, folks. And there is a penalty on Helena Skirt. Power jam situation for the Ratchets.
And Tweet is back in. We still have the jammer in the penalty box.
Jammer is still in the box. It's the bonus situation for the Ratchets. 2-2 trying to find her way through, looking for a whip. And she gets a mini whip from D Vicious. She's trying to make her way through. And she calls it off. She made a very good call off there, a strategic call off before Oneonta or Lake Erie can score any further points. New score, Ratchets 90, 96, Oneonta, Lake Erie 74. Here we go, folks.
Hold tight.
It's Cutthroat Crystal versus Sweets. Making their way through the pack. Cutthroat pushing it around that corner, and she gets by. Lead jammer status, although still went to Gold Slaughter as she got out of the pack first. I'm sorry, Sweets.
Sweet, your lead! Sweet, your lead!
Sweet called it off. Sweet called off the jam.
We got a new score. Nurse Ratchets 100. Lake Erie Oneonta 78.
Quick, quick, quick!
You ain't seen nothing yet, folks.
Get up there, girls. Let's do this.
And there's the whistle. And there's the second whistle for the jammers to go off. 2-2 Torture.
And Gold Slaughter are your jammers.
Come on, go! Go to the goal, girl. Nice, nice!
Gold Slaughter is your lead jammer.
Keep your having some trouble. Getting around the corner. She makes it around the corner.
Come on,
We got
girl.
Twisted Destiny going to the penalty box. Power jam for Nurse Ratchets.
That goes for Whimsy Kills.
Whimsy Kills on her way through the pack to score some points against the Ratchets. Each score she will.
Cutthroat makes it through.
There goes Cutthroat.
Cutthroat up and down.
Whimsy Kills falls off the jam.
Shortcut, action-packed jam right there.
It's hold off.
Oh, we're still playing. Sorry. The jam's still on. Looks like their jammer is in the box. Power jam situation for the Ratchets. Cutthroat makes it through again. That blood derby content is going up, up, up.
Alright. Behind you, girls. Behind you.
Nice blocking by the Ratchets. And Carla cuts to the inside and she's back through the pack again.
Whimsy Kills getting ready to get back in the pack. Getting a little too late.
And the jam is called.
Jam's over. 2 minutes. Must have been through.
The 2-minute duration of the jam.
We'd also like to thank each and every one of you for supporting your local roller derby.
Tell your friends. Tell everybody who will listen. September 25th, I believe, is our next bout. Tell a friend, bring a friend.
We'll hang them off the rafters, even if they're not your friends. Bring them anyway.
And here we go. Off again with another jam. And there goes the jammers. We got Jen Shanker
And Whimsy Kill.
and Shanker with that graceful style gets through the pack once again.
Get your way, girls.
Whimsy Kill is fast on her trail. Shanker's getting through, trying to pass the pivot. Spidery style gets her through once again. And it looks like Helena skirt the pivot just got a penalty. Power jam situation. And she's wow, look at that.
Wow, there's some really big hits going on over here. Look at that. That's called rolling, baby.
Laying people out in that pivot position. And she calls off the jam. And the Ratchets rack up the points once again on a power jam.
And it's halftime, everybody.
And it is now officially halftime. Let me just get the score for you before you go do your thing for the next 20 minutes.
Nurse Ratchets 133.
Erie, Oneonta 91. The Ratchets go into halftime with a 42-point lead on Lake Erie, Oneonta.
Waiting on the NSOs, please return to the track. And they come running. And we're almost ready to get underway. Uh-oh, we got one person, hold on. Hurry up. Okay.
And they're off. Looks like a short skater situation in favor of the Nurse Ratchets.
Oh, hell yeah!
Our
the jammer whistle. Looks like it's the Ratchets, Jen Shaker.
And for Oneonta Lake Erie, held in a skirt.
And Jen Shaker gets lead jammer status for the Ratchets. She's into the back of the pack. Passes the last skirt and will have to go back.
5 points for Nurse Ratchet.
Hell of a skirt is fast on her trail. She's catching up quickly. They're both skating 100% out there.
Right on her, boys. Right on
They're
her.
getting it on them, they're getting it all right now.
Shaker
Wow.
was down at the beginning of the pack.
Come on.
Both teams back at full strength. Both teams back at full strength.
Come on, Morgan. Come on, Morgan. Get up there, Sweets. Help her, Sweets. Help her through, girls.
And Helena, hell of a skirt, makes her way through the pack.
And Jen Shaker's right behind her. She took a heck of a hit right there. These girls are hitting vicious. There she goes as she comes off the jam. Jen Shaker. We'll have a score for you in just a moment.
Once again, let's thank our sponsors, KS Photography, Wicked Skatewear, Navy, Westelite, Beaver's Boat, Sages Automotive, and Hale Trucking. Thank you for supporting your local roller derby.